The restriction of movement in the form of a curfew remains from 10 in the evening to 4 in the morning. Public gatherings have now been increased to 100 from 50 people in and outdoors. Restaurants, bars and shebeens will be allowed to extend their liquor trading hours to 10 in the evening from Mondays to Saturdays, while the sale of alcohol on Sundays remains prohibited.
I express appreciation to leaders across all spheres of our society, the men and women in uniform, frontline workers and first responders, business, religious and traditional leaders, school principals and teachers, parents at the household level, and every single Namibian for your resilience and diligence to promoting compliance with COVID-19 regulations. Our strength remains in our unity of purpose.
Dr. Geingob also commended China and India for the donation of the COVID-19 vaccines. Speaking at the same occasion, Health and Social Services Minister Dr. Kalumbi Shangula says despite progress made in containing the pandemic, the number of new positive cases are still high.
Our country has fared reasonably well in terms of preparing for and responding to the pandemic. We were able to put in place the required physical infrastructure, procure medical equipment and personal protective equipment, hire health professionals and other personnel. Although these calls have been heeded to a large extent, there have been too many instances where many of our people have put themselves, their loved ones, and the community at risk of infection because of failure to comply with public health measures. This has led to a situation where the epidemiological curve has not assumed a downward trajectory to the level where we can say our country is out of the woods as far as COVID-19 infections, related illnesses, and deaths are concerned.
Shangula reiterated the president's call for adherence to the measures put in place to curb the spread of the pandemic. Daniel Nadung, NBC News, Windhoek.